Unlike any other course before, this course combined producing with tech, with art. The challenge we have normally for anyone trying to learn this is they're confined to one area. So most courses sit and rely on, they'll teach you the art side of things. But what they don't do is they don't teach you the tech, how to connect the dots. And what we've done at Mo-Sys is we've teaching people how to connect those dots. Combining that with the ability to have our producers come in and be part of the whole process. What we did is we provided an overview. And in that overview, we were able to open their minds up to what the technology is today. So now they know that they can use a green screen. That was something that they didn't understand. And the power of it, as well as a wall. We explained what the limitations and the strengths of both of those are. We forced the producers to be involved from the very, very beginning because they didn't know how important the pre-production was. The hard part we have as an academy is people have difficulty taking the time off that's necessary to get the experience of repetition. So it's a hard balancing act, but we're at MediaCorp, they demanded that they have that. So this was an exceptional exercise. And ultimately, the proof is in that they were able to do something that most people couldn't do in 4 hours, and some of them are getting done in 3 hours. So I think that this was an extraordinary case of what can be done when you get everyone together and everyone's committed to a positive result. I couldn't be more proud of what they've accomplished.